Well, you can see it, Impala S. I don't know, is that S?
Here's the 62 SS Impala. This has a big block in it. Hey guys, Bill, Flatbroke Garage. I'm back, kinda, on my cell phone. If you don't follow me on Facebook, I lost my computer hard drive and a lot of my video files. So I'm going to be scrambling, trying to recover a bunch of this stuff and get it backed up, and a new computer coming in. In the meantime, I'm going to be putting up these little short videos, just trying to keep me in the algorithm. We're going to talk about some Impalas today. First off, a 61 Impala SS. It's rough, but it's just a cool find. I never even knew this car was back here. Let me show you what this thing is. It's got the race flags on it. I looked at the VIN tag. This is a 61 two-door. When did the bubble top start? Was it 60 or 61 or 62, guys? Let me know in the comments. We're going to take a walk around this, but I got to get through these briars first. So we're going to pause you. Not sure, but she's white with red stripes. Is that a bubble top? I think the bubble top had more of a bump on top. I'm not sure. But check this out. The door still opens and closes. Glass is in it. Floors are completely gone. I'm sure the whole car's gone. But it's a neat car. Got the original stereo, I'm guessing, a radio. We took the steering wheel. There's a Hornet in here. That can't be good. Yeah, she's rough. I don't even know if any parts are salvageable, like the dash. Check out the psychedelic stuff there. Once again, there's your badging. That's pretty psychedelic. There's the trim, I'm guessing, for the back window. It might be worth something. Crank out vent windows. See if the door closes. Look at that, door still closes. She's been hitting the front, it looks like. The front is gone. Oh yeah, you can see the bend in the frame there. Oh. There's a tag. Trying to get a video of the tag. There's a tag, guys. You can pause and look. 61, it says, I think. Don't know about the other side. Well, here's a 61 Biscayne, which is basically a 61 Chevy Impala. You can see right there, somebody else knew it was a 61 Biscayne. Left fender. I guess the point I'm trying to make is, this 61 Biscayne has a good frame, it appears. It's got a nose clip on it, and all of those parts would fit on that 61 bubble top that's back there. Now, I know it's a huge undertaking, and both cars are kind of junk, but if you had more time than money and always wanted a 61 Impala SS Bubble top, I mean, I'm sure he'd make you a deal with this car and the other one, and you could own your own bubble top. Hours and hours and years of labor, but I'm just throwing it out there. This car's, you know, probably seen better days, you know, but the fenders are good. The grill is, you know, so-so. I don't know. You guys tell me, is that the same grill as the 61, like the SS, or do they have different grills of the Biscayne? I'm guessing they did. This one has a steering wheel. The other car was missing it. It's general nastiness, but it's got that big back window. It looks like that thing just broke, too. There we go, Biscayne. Now, this only had 4 tail lights. I think the Impalas had 6. Correct me if I'm wrong, but, you know, So yeah, there's another one for you. I mean, it's not the prize pig at the fair, but you know, a guy could do something with it if he had lots of time. Let me show you another one. So I know I've had this one in videos before. Just kind of a cool car. 63 Impala hardtop. Look at it, it's snowing in Tennessee. But this car had all the options. This was a power steering car, air conditioning car, condenser's still in it, power brakes, had it all. And like I said, it's a 4-door hardtop, which is kind of neat. I don't know if it's worth restoring. Just maybe a great parts car. 4-doors are making a comeback. Oh. And see, this one had 6 taillights. Was it only Impalas that had 6 taillights and the Biscaynes had 4? Look that up on them. Ooh, look at the Bondo. She's been repaired. The car was blue originally. Still has a steering wheel, complete dash, AC vents. I think somebody painted the interior too. This is, you can see there's blue on the dash too. I don't know, kind of unique. Take you back, he's got another one back there. I can't remember, is the 2-door or 4-door, but I think it's late 60s, early 70s. He does have a, he's got a convertible too. .396 turbojet, SS Impala. She's hit, she's wrecked, she's junk. He dug out the inside of the car because some people are interested in the dash and parts inside the dash. And that's Chevelle. What do you guys think? That looks like 70, 72 Chevelle. Warren lock and hubs. But whole dash is still in it. AC car, factory. What a shame. Back seat, front seat. This car was hit in several different directions. It's hit back here, pushed the whole side over, and this whole side. There's nothing straight on it. The roof is mangled, but it looks like this thing fell off a mountain. Yeah, it's just gone. I don't know if you need a little knick-knack parts, but what a waste. Falcon. A Sunbird. All right, so I knew we had another 2-door. So this is a 69 2-door Impala convertible. It's kind of made up of several cars, it looks like. But it's, what it is, it's, I don't know, it's not in bad shape, guys. Look at it. Here's the floors. That's pretty good for a convertible. I mean, you got some rust up under the gas pedal. But other than that, for a convertible, you'd think these floors would be gone. And, yeah. AC car, disc brakes for $69. Pretty well optioned. It's missing a bunch, but yeah, like I said, restore it, parts, or just curiosity, something to look at. Kind of neat. What do you guys think? Would you restore this thing or would you save it? It is a convertible, so you got some value in it. And 69 Impala, I mean, it screams America. I was walking back and I saw another one in the distance. And I believe I found another one as I was walking up this hill. There's a couple more Impalas back here than I thought. This is a Bel Air, I believe. Yep. 4-door. But like I said, it's still kind of cool. Let's go Bel Air. But now this one, again, We're back to the 4 taillights. Is this me, or is it Impalas that only had the 6? I'm not up on this, guys. Help me out here. This one's got all the glass, the interiors in it. I don't know if these doors will open, or if I even really want to see what's inside, but another steering wheel gone. People must want those steering wheels. So hubcaps. I think this is a 62. If I'm wrong, tell me. I don't know if we get to the other side here. Ooh, that tree just missed it. Is that purple? No engine or trans, but the front end's under it, rear end's under it. This door's pretty rusty. Boy, this tree just barely missing this thing. Let's see. I can't get anything. There we go. You got the aftermarket AM/FM cassette. This is a automatic. Not horrible. Floors look like they're in it still. Alright, another Bel Air. That other car I think was down here. Let's go hit that up. And I believe he also has the 62 SS Impala big block car inside. If we can get in there, we'll go check that out. I stumbled across another one. But this one is a 4-door, but it's a special 4-door. A wagon. You gotta love the long roof look. This is, once again, 62-ish. 62-ish. It looks like the windows are all busted out of this. It's a shame. I don't... Jesus. Something just ran under my legs. Hoo-hoo. Boy, what a shame. What a shame. What is it with the steering wheels, guys? Why does everybody steal these steering wheels? Are they worth something? But, yeah, all the glass is gone. Seats are in it. Well, 4 taillights again. Yeah, this one's pretty bad. You can see the whole back is gone. There's probably the pistons for it. Oh, let's go look, see if this thing has an engine. Now, these cars are for sale. They are located in extreme southeast Tennessee. If you're interested in any of these cars, I put my email right here. And you can email me with questions. Let's see. Oh. Look at that. There's an engine in here. Would this be a 327? Looks fairly complete. Somebody took the alternator or generator, probably depending on your. I don't know if it's got any oil in it. Let's take a look. Look at that. Ah. She's got oil. I wonder if it turns. Well, there's no belt on it anymore. But it is pretty complete. Thieves ain't got to the radiator yet. That's it. Kind of the downside about these poor yard. All these people are breaking in and stealing radiators and batteries and bending hoods, and it's just a shame. What's that? Is that another? Oh no, that's a Oldsmobile. That's an F85. It's a GM. So, kind of cool. You don't see many of those. So F85 or Cutlass or... I think that's what those were. Square, couple square bodies. Alright, let me mosey on out of here. And I made it inside the building. Here's the 62 SS Impala. This has a big block in it. Not the original, but it's a big block. 454. Not sure what year it is, but it looks good in there. It's a pretty solid car, pretty complete. The floors are really good shape. All it needs is really a trunk pan. It's kind of bright back here. Come around, but SS Impala. There you go. And like I said, these cars are for sale. Southeast Tennessee. Flatbroke Garage TN is my email. It'll be in the description and link below. But yeah, this is a nice car. Look at these quarters. Got the old school keystones on it. Bucket seats. 4-speed. Looks like it was an automatic originally. Back seats out of it. There's the gas pedal. Look at the floors. These are factory floors. Needs a floor on the passenger side. I guess the heater cord probably went out. But the factory floors back there. Pretty cool car, man. I like it. Wasn't this the same car? Cheech and Chong, Up in Smoke. I think it's the same car. Yep, nice car. All right, here's the last Impala. And yes, it is a 4-door. So I knew there was a 4-door back here. I'm guessing 70, 72. You guys correct me. I'm not a huge Impala dude. But she's rough. We'll go around and look at the front end of it. And there we go. There's our front end. So it's, like I said, I just thought I'd throw it in. I knew there was another Impala sitting back here. There might be one more. I'll go take a look. But sadly, parts are less, I guess. It's a shame to see them this far gone. The Tudor LTD over there. That's kind of cool. All right. Well, guys, that was just a quick little video. Like I said, I'm trying to recoup my video scheduling because my laptop crashed and all my videos, hopefully not Ashley's Mustang, but I lost a lot of videos and I am unable to upload right now. So I do have a new computer coming, so I'd appreciate you guys. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, but if you want to, that'd be great. But just go back and watch some of my older videos. It really helped kind of keep me in the algorithm thing. And maybe you might enjoy it too. I'm also going to be selling some stuff too. My Jeep Gladiator pickup truck, the Pumpkin Oldsmobile Cutlass, the Pontiac Sunbird. I'm going to be putting some of those up for sale if you guys are interested. There's videos on all of them on my channel. I don't have a price. Just, you know, make me offers. We got to kind of thin the herd and simplify my life a bit. I got too much stuff going on. So as always, if you do like it, subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up, hype button thing somewhere. Hopefully in the next video, it'll be a lot better. Computer will be set up, or it'll be another one of these short little compilation things while I'm regrouping. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.